Welcome to Growee. In this video, we will show you how to connect your Growee device to the home network using a smartphone. Make sure you have your home Wi-Fi password. Before connecting the device to the home network, make sure the device is plugged in and that the green light on the side of the device is blinking. If you're using a phone, turn mobile data off. Go to the Wi-Fi networks and press Forget on the network you're currently connected to. From the list of networks, choose the device's network and press Connect. The device's network will appear under the name Growee, followed by various letters and numbers. Open the browser and go to http://growee.local or scan the QR code shown in the Quick Start Guide. Select the Wi-Fi network you want your device to connect to and enter the password. Enter the device's registration code and press Register. Wait a few moments for the process to finish. After the registration is complete, press Connect. A pop-up will appear saying that the process is done. Once the device is connected to a network, the green light will stop blinking.